guys doing? Welcome back to yet again a brand new video in the ultimate next level beast. I am actually in my sister's new car, the Ford KA. This is where I keep my Glock 9 ready. Fam, my car don't do that. So then yeah, like I said, this is actually my sister's car. Look at it. Jeez, massive fuck off stripes down the middle. Massive fuck off Ford sign to, just so you know, it's a Ford. So what I've actually done is inside this bag right here, I've actually bought the necessity car accessories. So if we seductively open this bag. Right, we've got my bag open right now and we have got a few car accessories in here. First car accessory we have right here is actually a necessity for a car like this. Okay, all right, ready? Boom! There we have it, you know? We've actually got some blind spot mirrors, and genuinely, I have these on my car. Like, they're like old people mirrors, but they're banging, trust me. On a car like this with manual mirrors, I think it's just a need to have blind spot mirrors, because not only are they used for blind spots, you can actually see where you're parking. You actually, like, if your mirror's like this, you can actually see the bloody curb. So you're not always curbing your wheels and stuff. Here are the mirrors. So you've got two mirrors. You can just stick these on as they are like this. Hello. Hello, that's quite cool actually. You can just stick them on as they are, but I like to use this pivot thing that you can, you know, pivot down and up. Alright then boys, as you guys can see, we have now got the mirror on. As you guys can see, we can now see approximately where my wheel is. If that curb was a bay, you know, it'd be very easy to not even have to move your mirror down. So I think that's quite handy. Right then, so now that side's on, let's go over to this side and do that one. Bitch. Alright then boys, for the next car accessory, we've got another boring one. But again, we are doing the necessities for the car. So, I'm gonna get something out of this bag, which is absolutely spectacular. Inside the bag, we have got... bang! We've actually got, quite simply, a dash cam for the car. This one is quite cool because it obviously records out the front and the back of the car. So this was actually sent out by a company called Apeman, and they have supplied me with so many dash cams in the past. So huge shout out to them. Apeman, links in the description to that. For this dash cam, we've actually got the C550 dash cam. Let's actually crack this open and then install this onto the car. So here is the dash cam itself, and honestly boys, this looks like a fucking Nokia or something. Like, this is a dash cam for fuck's sake. So obviously what we need to do is we just need to quite simply install this using the mounting bracket onto there, run the cables underneath all of this trim all the way to the back of the car, and we are going to attach the rear view camera to the glass. One whole hour later and I've finally done installing this dash cam. I didn't film too much of it, honestly, because, you know, it's so long and tedious. I don't even know what that word means. That's how long it was. It was so long and tedious pulling back each little rubber bit, because this rubber's so hard. Each wire goes from here through here. You know, I tucked it behind the rubber, and then it goes all the way down the rubber seal, down there, and then behind the chair. You can see a little bit of it there, and you can see a little bit there. But overall, I think it, you know, not too bad of a job. And boom guys, there you go. So you got the front and the back. As you guys can see, if I press this button, oh, that's the mute. Look, oh my god, you can see side by side, or you can see just the front, or you can see just the back. That is so fucking cool, man. So yeah, quite literally, that is pretty sick. So you don't have to have two dash cams, you literally have one dash cam supporting, you know, obviously both the front and the back. Alright then, so next up in the bag, I'm going to pull out one of the coolest car accessories I'm going to wish. I'm actually going to get one of these for my car. But ready? 3, 2, 1. Boom! How cute is that? That is the cutest thing I've ever seen in my life. This right here, boys, is an air freshener. But it's a teddy bear air freshener. Could you go more wrong with that? Look at that. And it smells like childhood. Oh my god, I might actually have this for my car. Like, that is so fucking cute. It comes in a little lunchbox or something. Oh, hello. What's your name? What's your name? Oh, mate, that smells like bubblegum. Oh, you are one sexy motherfucking bear, mate. That is the cutest thing ever. Oh my god, that's like, look at that. He's flipping dancing. Alright, just for now, we're gonna leave Mr. Teddy in the corner up here. About a day later and we are back, as you guys can see, boys. But yeah, like I said, we are back in the Ford Ka and we have honestly got my guy Kevin chilling up here. I've decided to name him Kevin because he does look like Kevin. Come on, Brofist, my brother. There you go. So yeah, honestly, the car is smelling beautiful. It smells like bubblegum. Oof. But yeah, we've obviously got the dash cam up there. I don't know if I went too in detail, but yeah, it's very cool having this dash cam. This was the first one I had in my car. So I really like that it's filming outside the back as well. We've got the rear view camera right there. Don't know if you guys can see. That little box is the rear view camera. The blind spot mirrors actually came off because I took them off because I want them a bit lower down, just in the bottom corner. So I've ordered some more. They should be arriving literally any minute now. Right, so we've now got the new blind spot mirrors on. They used to be up there, but now they're right there. Let's hop in the car. And this is actually the best car accessory for this car because literally, if you guys can see right there, you can. This is my normal driving position first. So let's zoom in, and you can actually see where the back wheel goes. It should be a little bit tilted up, but obviously. It's actually quite fine like that, but yeah, a little bit more tilted up. You can see a little bit more of your blind spot as well as where your back wheel is, so you won't be curbing those bloody hubcaps. Also on this side, this is my normal driving position, and you can see it's not going to focus on it, but you can see the back wheel right there, as well as you can see the normal mirror right there. So very happy with the blind spot mirrors. That's probably the best car accessory in today's video. But yeah, we have actually got one more thing to install before that actually arrives. That is, voila. Boys, we cannot go without the first car accessory being RGB lights. But yeah, if you guys don't know what this is some RGB light strips. Let's actually open this up. So right here, we've got the RGB light strips, and boys, it's gonna be a disco party, let me tell you. Right then, we've got one that's gonna go right here. A second one going through this little gap in the dash, coming out here and going right here. This cigarette light is really annoying because you have to put it in a very specific position. So I've literally spent like 2 minutes trying to put it in. But here is the RGB lights. Boom. As you guys can see. There you go. There you have it, boys. What a joke. The cheap bastards don't include a battery. Yo, that's a joke. Look. You bet your ass I'm leaving a 1-star review on their Amazon. But yeah, as you guys can see, hopefully we'll come back in the night and we'll see what it looks like, because that's going to look sick. Okay, alright then guys, so unfortunately that is the end of today's video. Hopefully guys really did enjoy. I mean, I know it's just a boring old, like, just normal car accessory video, but I really hope you guys did enjoy. Honestly, really liking the Ford Ka at the moment. Honestly, it is a whip and a half, let me say that. Thank you guys so much for the support recently. If you've got to the end of today's video, comment disc. And I know you're a true G and you got to the end of this video. But anyway guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Follow me on Instagram at @_OtherStuff and subscribe if you are new. Anyway guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see your faces in my next video. What?